Do you feel pain or numbness when you ride? In this video, an easy installation for an amazing accessory.
Woo! My arms are tired.
Improper handlebar positioning will expose the rider to bad riding positions, stress, fatigue, and possible injuries. The FMF XTR All Mountain Series Adjustable Angle Head Stem. It's light, sleek, well made, and extremely simple to install. So simple you'll be done before you know it. Just remove the handlebars, stem cover, and stem lock bolts, and replace. First, prepare the new stem for installation. You will need a 4 and a 5mm Allen wrench. Use the 4mm to remove the 4 Allen screws for the handlebar clamp. Once all the screws are removed, set aside for installation. Remove the 4 Allen screws on the e-bike and gently lay the handlebars down on the front tire. With a 5mm Allen wrench, remove the stem locking Allen screws and the stem cover Allen screw, then lift up and off. Now grab the new stem and slide it onto the steering tube. Tighten all Allen screws to 50% as you continue to finish remounting your handlebars. Slowly bring up the handlebars. Place the clamp cover over the bars and tighten the Allen screws down 50%. Once the handlebar is mounted, begin gross adjustments to the stem before fine-tuning with the rider. Upon locating your rider, have them sit on the bike and hold the handlebars in a relaxed position. Then tighten down the Allen screws 80% and have them perform a test ride. Repeat as needed until tuned, then set all Allen screws down to the recommended manufacturer torque spec, and you're done. Congratulations on your DIY accessory install. Now, take it outside.